What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of AdCreative.ai. And whether it's actually useful for creating high-performing ads.ai is an AI tool designed to help businesses and marketers generate ad creatives fast. It focuses mainly on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and other paid ad channels. You give it your product details, brand assets, and goals, and it generates ad visuals and copy for you. One of the biggest strengths of AdCreative is speed. Instead of designing ads from scratch, you can generate multiple variations in minutes. This is especially useful if you're running A/B tests or need a lot of creatives quickly. The platform also uses performance data to guide its outputs, which means the ads are designed with conversion in mind, not just looks. You can create headlines, add text, and visuals that are optimized for engagement and click-through rates. The interface is simple and beginner-friendly, so you don't need design experience to get started. You can also customize the generated creatives to better match your brand style. That said, AdCreative isn't perfect. Some designs can feel generic if you don't provide strong brand inputs, and for highly creative or unique campaigns, you'll still want a human touch. It's best used as a productivity booster, not a full replacement for a creative team. Overall, AdCreative.ai is a solid tool for marketers who want to create ads faster and test more ideas without spending hours on design. If you run paid ads regularly, it's definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.